Subscribe to New Link YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to New Link YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. New Links, top vlogger. Big up New Links cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on the cell, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a New Link from New Link Production. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, we don't know, so the crime thing there at Jamaica, it's still away no people, you understand? And yo, lot of time we hear something go on, we hear say, yo, man get slap up, man get this, man get that people, and we are think and we are wonder. And we know say, yo, a hit work, you understand? Because people, the hit thing in Jamaica right now, it's a job, it's like a 9 to 5 people. It's so easy if your man comes to boom, get a hit man and thing and, you know, carry out them act people, no joke about it. So, right about now people, I have a leak voice note, you understand? With a brother, who talk about an incident that happened people in a Kingston and St. Andrew, my viewers and subscribers, with a female, you understand, and 2 boy man, you know what I mean? And you know these people, me I tell you say boy, only just sees and he knows, my people. Only just sees and he knows. So let me just share this voice recording with the people, then the attacking boss drop in back.
Yo, me do want to give the man them a drama star, Bumbuckler. Me I tell you say yo, them you there Jamaica, the man them sap completely, brother. You don't know what say? Today, Stephanie called me and she had tell me say, yo, our sister get robbed in Idea, because apparently our sister used a mechanic at the bottom of Linders Road. I must say Linders Road? I don't know, Linders Road, the right top side, the bottom part of Linders Road, the top side jungle or so. You see me? Anyway, she left him with the car to do something. And him say it's gonna take longer than we him think. So she has said to herself she don't want him keep her car. She tell him to come link her workplace because she live work on retirement road. And she will drop him back and her next time when she have the time can left the vehicle. She do that. So she said so boom and she him a carry her back in garage. Him a drive her car. She in her passenger seat. She said them a drive her go towards Linders Road and him. She said when she a drive she know she pass 2 youth on a bicycle. But she said she not pay them the mind. You see me? Anyway, boom bang, she reach at the garage now and hold on. She reach at the garage now and the man jump out of the van, cause she drive one of the new Pioneer them. The man jump out of the van and she come round for going in her passenger seat. She said by the time she reach at the door for open the door, the 2 boy that she see right pan her, she said she didn't even know when them reach right round pan her from her side, you see me? So she said she's so nervous cause when she look on them, the one that is slump on the back, must say a bike when I yang them or something. She said when I slump on the back, lift up him shirt and show her the gun and use the gun and slap him chest like he just knock against him chest and one ride, take out the gun and have the gun in him hand and I knock it with him other hand. So she said she look on them and them and look on she cause she said she in a shock. She don't know what to do, you see me? Same time the one ride said to her, say, yo, I go on mommy, everything alright? So she'll say, yeah, everything alright. You know, say, I look where I look at things still. So she said to them, say, look at things for what? She'll say, he must say, one time bridging drop out and them a look at things for have a little drink up, you don't know him drop out and you don't know you know, kinda like a memorial type of thing. So she'll say, how much money say you want? The man said, him said $1,500, 15 bills. She said she just, cause her 3 picnic them got ill. She said she just draw some money for pay one of them school fees. So she said she don't want go in the car and go in her bag for them follow her in the car. So she said to them, say, yo, I really have no money still, you know. But we can probably find a grand for give you. They must say, alright. But this is the blood clot tricky part now, brother. You don't know say when she give the man the grand, you don't know what the man asks her. The man asks her if she not nobody where she want dash with. If she not nobody where who her no money or this or and she just can't deal with it no more. She just willing to pay her money. Cause that them do. And if she not nobody at workplace where give her a hard time or nobody where go on like them want box spread out her mouth. You see me? She said, no, I just start work, which part I'm working or something, I don't really know nobody. She said, him I say, yeah. So what you know, nobody, no family, nobody where you want to get rid of nothing. So she said, no, me everybody good. So I say, alright, mommy, me like you, you know. Me like your vibes, you know, mommy. So yeah, what? Me I give you my number, and if anybody you want to deal with or anything you want me to deal with, just shout me. I'm here to work out something and me deal with it for you, you see me? So she said, alright then. And she said, them there, I chat little bit until him just jump on the bike and drive off. The two of them strap. But me I say to Bumbuckler, I saw them man are willing to just take people life. Yeah, ride down on people with gun for $1,000, $1,500. And I saw them are willing to solicit service for do assassin work, brother, or hitman work. In a broad daylight. This a man here look for rob the woman and him see him and I give her number for she calling. You see them people in nonsense. My youth, I tell you this man, from this man in a dog, so our country in a trouble in a brother because of the level of violence and the level of crime that has become embedded in our culture, brother. I tell you, my youth. I tell her that. So she tell me I couldn't believe. I said, really? She said, Marlani, if the police even did come to me and ask me what them look like, she said she couldn't tell them. Because she said, she's so frightened, she's so in a shock. She attack and she didn't even penetrate what she said. You see me I say? But me just show you them young youth you might, and that's why police around for dash them, my brother. And that's why them friend them around for dash them with too. Because the man them not no sense, brother. The man them not no brain. The man them not click. And one thing alone them a click for. Them not want to work, them not want to do nothing else. Them just want to rob people and take people things. And I tell you, brother, it's sad. It's sad. Big man thing, it's sad.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, you hear what me I talk about? Yeah? You hear the voice note, people. And you hear what this brother is saying tonight. And you hear what took place. Only just Caesar knows, but thank you, Jaja. The lady alright still, you understand, she good. But what me ask the people, she smart. You know why me I got to tell her that she smart? You see when they come to a woman, them ask her about 15 bills. You face you no 15 bills them want people. Which me know so them could have come to a woman, hold her up and go into the vehicle and search about them now with time cause broad daylight people. See? But see once they make that mistake there and go into the vehicle and go into that bag there with the other money the people, me I tell her say everything gone. See? And when I check it out people, you hear what the man them say, him say the man them say to her, if she not nobody what she want, that's way. If she not this, if she not that people. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. So look how simple it is people. You're there at a 9 to 5, see? And boom, because such and such a go on, you have this problem with this somebody or maybe you want the position, they say you can just pay a little money and boom, somebody get that way and maybe you in the line to get the position. There's it. Or maybe because somebody may make a lose a job or them something the people. Come on, think about it, man. I have lost my job already, people. For nothing what me not do. You see it? Me I tell you the truth. Jamaican people make me lose my work. For nothing what me not do. You understand? I go tell me about say pandemic this and pandemic that. I make me lose my 9 to 5. My nice 9 to 5 what me I do, I make much tip. You understand? And Jamaican a foreign do that to me. See? What if me did a pray that way there and say, yo, look, you know, so if I get rid of that Jamaican woman, yeah? You understand? Yeah, the truth. When me know could I get rid of that Jamaican woman and force she do to me, I'm going to lose my 95. When you that pray them meds the people, just pay off a look of money, not try and get rid of her. But at the end of the day, people, what that going to do to me? Have somebody life by my soul I carry it. Every time I think about this woman, when I get rid of When me come to woman going to that cemetery, the people I want, I'm a friend or one of my family. You know what I mean? Memorial or a funeral or something. When I look on that grave, they're dead coming on my head say, oh, me make she dead. No, my people, it's not worth it. You see me? It's not worth it. You left them to time. Left them to time. Because whatever them a fight for people, that is nothing. Zine, them here comes to woman, them do things to you, but sometimes when I pray like people, I'm say, looking at life, yo. You see whatever may happen on earth with we, you know what I mean? Like me pray like the disappointment, it's for a good thing because Jah have something better waiting for you. And I'm telling you that my people, Zine. So when I see them when I come about them, I do them hitting and them something, yo, brother, yo, the thing messed up, you know, my people. The thing messed up, you know. You have no family member, you have no this, you have no that. Yo, I don't even know, brother, we in a trouble, we in a problem, my people. Attack for them. Attack for them. Look how much factory they are torn. Look how much things are going. You know how much work, man. Your man are going to say they can't find this, they can't find that. When me there Kingston people, this is where me say a lot of opportunity where me can do a thing. You know what I mean? I hustling. No joke about it. So me know the one come tell me say them can't find this and them can't find that. Me know where it go. But sometimes a man just don't want to do it. Look how much youth in the street also. Look how much youth. We don't have to do certain things. Jaja sees and Jaja knows. Get a youth wise up, no man. Because when you do them thing, you not dash on the 3 points. Because 2,000 you carry out that and 2,000 what? Get wiped out. It makes sense? Think yo. Big up in the Selma people, I don't know say they attacking boss there, you know. A life we say get a youth. We are from the ghetto, you know. I'm not like this one get a youth, I destroy them thing and I destroy people life. You see it? Come on, man. We can't make it out. Enough youth make it out. You understand? And then they ain't gonna do that. Think about it, man. Make a change, youth. Full force, man. Attacking boss said that. Big up my people.